Hey Chris, you want to go down or do you want to go down?
Let's go down.
This is the elevator here at the library. American River College, Sacramento, California. Innovation. There you go. OTIS mod. This is older. That's series 2. Can you hold my Pringles? Yeah, some if you want. Not sure what that is. That looks like it was an old indicator. And if you look right here, this used to be a United States elevator. Possibly a Montgomery modded by United States. Let's listen to the motor. Ooh. Really, bruh? Going up?
Yeah.
What floor?
Wait.
Here you go. Little ERM lab here right there. Oh my god.
Shit's gonna fall out from underneath.
Damn. I'm not sure what the card reader is for, but
Maybe there's another floor that you have to have access to too. Or other floor.
let's go again. US door track. Alright, let's be quiet. Sounds like there's a fucking cat in the shaft that's getting killed. 3,000 pound capacity, hydro. Let's listen to the lovely sounds. Yep, United States elevator. And for a library, this thing makes a lot of damn noise. There's only one elevator here. That'll be?